This video will go over how to set up your iFIT account and connect the iFIT app with your Bluetooth-enabled machine. First, on a computer web browser connected to the internet, visit www.ifit.com. Then, click on the Start Free Trial button. This will direct you to the iFIT signup page where you can activate your free trial. Once the iFIT signup page has loaded, you can sign up with your Apple or Google accounts, or with your desired email address and password. In this example, we'll be setting up our account with a specific email and password. Once you fill in your desired email address and password, select your country from the drop-down box below. Next, check the two boxes above the Sign Up button to receive discounts and special offers from iFIT, and agree to the iFIT Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Then select Sign Up. On the next page, add your profile details, then click Continue. To get started with iFIT, select your preferred membership plan. Continue to the next page for pricing options. After selecting your plan, fill in the personal and billing information fields. Check the box, then select Start Membership. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and use the iFIT app. If you're using a non-touchscreen Bluetooth-enabled machine, you can pair the iFIT app to your equipment. First, download the iFIT app from the Apple or Google Play Store onto your smartphone or tablet. Then sign in. After signing in, tap on the three lines in the upper left corner of the app. This will open the navigation menu. From here, select Pair Device. The iFIT app will automatically search for machines in your home that need to be activated. If you have multiple machines, you can check the pairing code by pushing the iFIT button on your machine. This will show the Bluetooth pairing code. Once you have identified your machine, tap Connect in the app. You should be presented with a screen that says Success. Your machine should now be linked to the iFIT app. Begin a workout to start enjoying iFIT.